So now onto the second part. The second question, where you have 2s squared, y is power 3, the f raised power 3, we multiply by 3 into s y raised power 4, then f raised power 2, then divided by 6s raised power 4, multiplied by 2s y raised power 4. Now, to evaluate this or simplify this, so this becomes, now solve what you have inside the bracket. You have 2 raised power 3 is what? 2 raised power 3 is 8. The s raised power 2, the power will multiply the power. So you have s raised power c, that is 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. The here 2, the power also multiply the power for y. So it will be y raised power 9. Then multiply by 3. Everything in the bracket also. You have this like s raised power 1. So it will be s raised power 2, that is 1 times 2. So you have s raised power 2. Then y raised power 8, 4 times 2. So divided by, so you have 6s raised power 4 raised power 4 multiplied by 2s y raised power 4. Now, from our law of indices, when you have s raised power a multiplied by s raised power b, it becomes s raised power a plus b. So far they have the same base. If they have the same base, then you add their power together. So from here, now we can apply that law to the numerator also. So 8 times 3 will become 24. You have s raised power 6 and you have s raised power 2 here. So it becomes s raised power 6 plus 2. You also have y raised power 9 and y raised power 8. So it becomes y raised power 9 plus 8. That is, the multiplication becomes addition. And for this also, you have 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12. Then you have s raised power 4, and here is s raised power 1, then plus 1. Plus, there's no y here, so we have y raised power 4. So you have y raised power 4. So this becomes, now, okay, so you have 24, s raised power 8, by 6 plus 2, 8, y raised power 17. Then this will be 12 s raised power 5 and y raised power 4. So from there, 12 can divide 24, so that will be 2. Now also note, from our law of indices, when you have s raised power a divided by s raised power b, it should become s raised power a minus b, that is, division becomes subtraction. So from there, 24 divided by 12, that is 2. So you have x raised power 8 divided by s raised power, x raised power 5, that will be s raised power 8 minus 5. The division here will become subtraction. And you have y raised power 17 minus 4. So this becomes 2s, 8 minus 5 will be 3, and y will be 13. So this will be the answer. So when you solve for this, when you evaluate this expression, it will become this.